value is understanding where I can make the critical connections to those suppliers that are meaningful to me, without having to go through. The way that Marcus Evans helped us narrow down, focus on specific suppliers was very helpful. Again, it kind of cuts through the weeds and gets you right to where you need to be and face to face with the suppliers that matter to you. It takes some significant time and effort. You don't always get what you want when you go searching on my own. That search sometimes bears fruit, sometimes it does not. This again is a much more focused and intended driver to put me face to face with those suppliers that matter. Extremely important. Relatively new to the industry, so this is one of many steps that I will take to remain informed, and this provides that nugget of information, those nuggets of information that really help further me in my career.